JSON. Now, what is the full form of JSON? Write down. Full form of JSON is JavaScript Object Notation. Write down about JSON. It is a representation of data which is used for enabling the communication between cross-platform components. Okay, now see here. See, I'll tell you one requirement. What is that requirement is? It is just a online e-commerce website. I got one particular requirement from one client where what he said is, I will be booking the product in my website by making use of website. Got it, right? I will log in into website and I will book a product. I will place the order for that particular product, he said. Okay, so he need a website. I thought, okay, let me design a website where I can select the product, I can place the order for that particular product, it will go and sit into cart, from there he can purchase it. Okay, later what he said is, this particular order what he has placed in the website, suppose if the website is not available, I am not reachable with the website, otherwise if I want to see that particular order in my mobile app, whatever the order I have placed, I have to see the details of that particular order in my mobile app. I should be able to see. That is what the requirement he has given. He will place the order over here, he will view the status over here in the mobile. Otherwise he will place the order here, he will see the status over here. Got it, right? This kind of scenario he said me. Now what we have to do? Got my question? See, this is the DB. I will connect through this also, web application also, through this also. Clear? To see the status of the product, otherwise to place the order to a particular product. Now, what we have did in this particular scenario, let me tell you. On the top of DB, we have added one layer. Okay, now that layer, you just assume that we have developed it on Java. You can develop it on PHP, you can develop it on .NET, whatever it is, not an issue. We have developed it on Java. This particular application what we have developed will fetch the details about the product and it will show the details. If I hit that particular URL, it will show the details in JSON format. Got it, right? In JSON format. Here, it will retrieve the details from the DB and it will be returning the data in the form of JSON. You have the option of XML also. You have the option of CSV also. you have the option of text also. Clear? Any doubts? So these are the types which we have the option. Now let's say if he has developed the content. Okay, done, right? So from this particular DB, my Java program, this is a layer which we have developed by making use of Java, and it returns the data any one of this format. Okay, now these 4 formats are there. Now old format, I'll tell you, that is text. What is the drawback with the text format is all the data will be available in random order. Here and there it will be available, again parsing the data, splitting into name, number, otherwise whatever the product cost, whatever the detail I want to retrieve, it will be tough for splitting and mapping to the fields. It will be tough for me. So instead of going to text, we went to CSV. CSV, comma separated value. What this will be giving the response? It will give the response as product ID 1, product name, let's say bottle, next price somewhere 123.5, next semicolon. That's the end of first product information. Second product, again we will continue, then again semicolon, again we'll continue with next product, like this. We used to provide comma separated value. To some extent this is okay, got it right? To some extent this is okay, where we can grab the data, we need to parse it based on the comma, based on the semicolon, like this. Where in some scenarios this will fail, because let's say if my name is holding comma Sridhar comma Reddy, suppose if I have given, at that time it will split comma over there, got it right? With that comma separator, what it will think that this is previous value is name, next value is some other value, it will think like that. So these kind of confusions are there. To avoid so many problems, they have ignored CSV. Later they went to XML. In XML it is completely user defined tags. We will define, let's say if I need to send the product information, see product ID 1, product name, P cost. Okay, say one product information I will be sending in this fashion. Now by seeing this opening tag, it will understand that it is product information. By seeing this closing tag, it will understand that product information is completed. So product ID will be there under product ID tag, product name, product cost will be under these particular tags. Clear? Any doubts? No issues? Okay. In this particular way we used to send the data. Right now also most of the old projects, if you check it out, they are having the information by making use of XML only. That's what even my project currently, which I am doing right now, it is based on this particular XML only. We will be storing the data, we will be retrieving the data. To some extent it is okay. Whereas in this, how much data we are storing, more than the data we are holding the tags only. You can see that 1, 8, 123.5 small data, and my tags will occupy more space and more memory, which is waste. And for parsing this particular XML data,